Top 5 cooking oils to support heart health and wellness. Olive oil, a heart-healthy choice. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is one of the best options for heart health. It is packed with monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and increase good cholesterol, HDL. These healthy fats support the prevention of heart disease by improving vascular function and reducing inflammation. Additionally, it contains antioxidants, such as polyphenols, which help protect the arteries from damage. Canola oil, a low-saturated fat option. Canola oil is another heart-healthy cooking oil, thanks to its low saturated fat content. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health by reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Canola oil also helps regulate cholesterol levels, improving overall cardiovascular health. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for various cooking methods, including frying and baking. Its neutral flavor makes it an easy addition to a variety of dishes. Avocado oil, rich in healthy fats. Avocado oil is a versatile and nutritious oil that is ideal for heart health. It contains high amounts of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol while boosting good cholesterol. Additionally, avocado oil is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for high-heat cooking methods. Its unique flavor also enhances many dishes while promoting cardiovascular well-being. Flaxseed oil, a boost for omega-3s. Flaxseed oil is an excellent choice for improving heart health due to its rich omega-3 fatty acid content, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. While flaxseed oil is best used for cold dishes, such as salads or drizzling over cooked vegetables, it provides significant heart protective benefits. It also supports healthy circulation and reduces inflammation in the body, contributing to overall cardiovascular wellness. Coconut oil use in moderation. While coconut oil has been praised for its potential health benefits, it is best used in moderation when it comes to heart health. Unlike other oils, coconut oil is high in saturated fat, which can raise cholesterol levels. However, some studies suggest that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, found in coconut oil may offer some heart health benefits, such as increasing good cholesterol. To maintain a heart-healthy diet, it's important to use coconut oil sparingly and balance it with oils rich in unsaturated fats.